Okay, this is going to be a video lesson for Algebra 1, Unit 2 on word problems. All of these notes are available for you on Canvas, so please don't feel like you have to write things down. I want you to get a concept of what's going on, all right? It says Wawa has a food membership. You pay $30 and then $2 per sandwich. Non-members pay $5 a sandwich, okay? So we want to write an equation to represent the problem. Okay, so here's the big thing you got to look at is the per, okay? 2 per sandwich, okay? So that would be like 2s, okay? 2 per sandwich. You pay $30, okay? So you could do 30 plus the 2s, okay? Now the non-members pay $5 per sandwich. So if we did 2s for that, this one we would do 5s. So that would be the equation, okay? The per sets up this concept with the variable. So if I solve, I got to get the variables on one side. So I would subtract 2s. I got 30 equals 3s, and divide by 3. S equals 10. So that answers the question. All right, solve the problem to find how many sandwiches you need to buy for the program to be worth it. So I'd have to buy 10 sandwiches for the program to be worth it, okay? Now we're just gonna practice one more of those, and then I'm gonna together, and then you can do one on your own, okay? It says GameStop has a video game club, okay? All right, you pay $50 and then $25 per video game, okay? Non-members pay $45 per video game, okay? So I got the 50 plus the 25 per video game. I'm just gonna use V. The non-members pay 45 per video game. Okay? All right, so that would be your equation. All right? To answer the question, solve the problem to find the number of video games purchased for the program to be worth it. Okay, all I would do is subtract 25V, Okay, so that's 50 equals 20V, and then divide by 20. Okay, so V would be, so you'd have to buy about 2.5 games, 2.5 games, for it to be worth it, okay? So here's what I'd like you to do, okay? Go ahead and pause your video, okay? And go ahead and write the equation, okay? And then in part B, go ahead and solve that, okay? Unpause. It says Uber has a new VIP membership. You pay $84 and then $8 per ride, okay? So that'd be 84 plus 8 per ride equals non-members pay 20 per ride, okay? So then, how many times would you have to, how many rides would you need to go for it to be worth it? Okay, subtract 8R, 84, 20R minus 8R would be 12R, divide by 12. Okay, 84 divided by 12 would be 7, okay? So it would be 7 rides, all right? All right, here's the next type of word problem you have. It says pizzas cost $6 per pizza, and you have $48 to spend. Write an equation to represent the problem. Once again, this per thing matters. $6 per pizza, and I have $48 to spend. Okay? Solve the problem to find out how many pizzas you can buy. Okay, that's really easy. Okay? I would just divide by 6 on both sides, and that would be 8 pizzas is what I could buy. Okay? All right? It costs $3.50 per case of soda. You have $14 to spend, okay? Per case, okay? So 3.5 C, and I got $14 to spend, all right? And that's pretty easy to solve. All I would do is divide by 3.5, okay? I'm gonna use my calculator for that. 14 divided by 3.5 is 4, okay? So what I would like you to do, okay, I'd like you to go ahead and pause your video, okay, and go ahead and, wait, do we have one more of these? No. Go ahead and pause your video and go ahead and work on this problem, okay, unpause, iTunes, okay, songs cost $2 per song, and you have $36 to spend. So 2 times the songs, 36 to spend, divide by 2, S equals 18. Okay, pretty easy stuff. Okay, the last type of word problem question that we're going to have, okay, involves around volume equals length times width times height. It says that the volume is 180 The length is 3, the width is 5 centimeters, find the height. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the numbers. Okay, so this is my formula, length times width times height. Okay, my volume is 180. Don't worry about the centimeters cubed. The length is 3, the width is 5, and then I don't know the height. Okay, now here's how simple this is. Just multiply the numbers over here on this side. 3 times 5 would be 15. Okay, so I got 180 with 15h. Okay, and then just divide by 15 on both sides. And that's going to give you the height. Okay, 180 divided by 15 is going to be 12. Okay, let's do another one together. Okay, same idea. Volume equals length times width times height. So volume equals L times W times H. Okay, the volume is 240. Okay, I'm going to read the words carefully. The height is 10. Okay, the width is 3. And I don't know the length. Okay, so I multiply the two numbers over here. 3 times 10 would be 30. So I got 240 equals 30, and I just put the L next to it. And then I get rid of that by dividing. Okay, all right, 240 divided by 30 is 8. Okay, all right. Now I'd like you to pause your video and go ahead and work on this problem. Okay, go ahead and unpause. All right, so what I got, volume equals L times W times H. Okay, so my volume is 300. My length is 4. All right, my height is 10, and I don't know the width. Okay, I can still multiply these numbers. 4 times 10 would be 40, and I'll put the W here, and then just divide by 40. W equals 300 divided by 40 is 7.5. Okay? And those are the 3 types of word problems that we will have on our summative.